Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Elementor on the page you want to edit. Once loaded, find the exact section with the image. Click the Image widget or the column handling background images so you can access the Settings panel on the left. Make sure you know whether it's an image widget versus a background image. That changes which panel to use. While you're here, check image dimensions and alignment so the replacement will look correct when you insert it. Once you click the image thumbnail, the media library appears. You can upload a new file or pick an existing image. Choose the correct image size from size and fill alt text for accessibility. This also helps SEO. After selecting, click Insert Media, then adjust alignment, caption, and link behavior in the content panel. If it's a background image, use Style Background to replace and tweak repeat or position so your layout stays intact. Now save your changes by clicking Update or Save Draft, then preview across desktop, tablet, and mobile so you confirm responsive results. If the new image doesn't show, clear your browser cache and any caching plugin. Make sure you also regenerate CSS if you use an optimizer. If problems continue, verify the file type and reduce file size under 2 MB and check aspect ratio. This prevents cropping issues and preserves layout integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.